Ambalang got a very close to goal.
Watchman came in after the fall of Kassav. His two maidens, 1 for 60. That's as a bank. Okay, I've done all my. It was a bit quicker than it was on day one.
And all Prabhat Jayasuriya has to. If he's in his arc, he will go to the Sinhalese Sports Club really well with a gritty knock. The line was quite leg-side-ish full this occasion by Dhananjay.
Minute flick of the wrist. It's hitting middle. 4 more.
Overreacting. He got to work, and Curtis Camper was very strong to the leg side.
Offside. Go down the pitch. He knows that
He was spot on there, and Wilco. It was too straight with the angle.
But how close can that be? Close enough. Dhananjay De Silva's gesture suggests
breakthroughs, but that is plummet. Just been playing forward. Dhananjay, the second wicket of the morning. De Silva goes for 12.
I'll be happy with 2-1. Very good running. Sadira Samaravikram.
He felt he wasn't as consistent. He needs to do that this morning. Smartly played. He hasn't tried to. It's a boundary. He doesn't want to be there, Doc.
He will. He's not a. And you don't hide in and too short, too easy for the batter.
To do is really just come and hit it.
Brian just under 4. Nimal plays so well.
Realised that if I just met through the offside, just a little bit of width from Nimal. Enjoys batting here at goal. To say after, not quite
Too short. Is the problem with the Irish bowlers. That's cricket. Are not playing enough first class on a surface like this.
there, but good to see him back on the field.
Didn't happen. Away with it. Keep pressure. But when the runs start flowing to July, August, where Sri Lanka played, but then come the 4th and 5th.
After the ball, Dockrell for Balbirnie to set a field. Chandimal, how he loves batting.
Half century in Test cricket.
Half century, Dinesh Chandimal.
Ben Whitesand either full or short. Or there was enough to bowl at.
To yet another Test match. Krima was probably in the innings this.
Definitely Sadira Samaravikram, 36 of 41. Anything they have the bulk. Sadira Samaravikram all so far. I think the progression has been
Short.
They whacked it in my. And Dinesh Chandimal.
Well, it's right up. Courtesy of you.
There's so many loose deliveries. Run away, I think he does. This up.
It's a long, do full. All he had to do. Thing on off stump because he knows. Make him run. They keep rolling.
The Balbirnie at slip. Chandimal.
It was short, it was wide, and that will be hit. And Chand only managing the top edge and
Taking him on and going down the pitch.
good old drop kick by Sadira. Boundary. Few bounces. It's good batting by Sadira.
93 not out. Played, make that 97. Head of the fielder, Andy Balbirnie.
Had to fight himself. Blowing down. But he fielder. Sadira Sabha, who could score 100 since.
To forget about what the scoreboard's you. Masita Fernand.
Opener. Very.
Get that outside edge.
That was full. That was straight. What a start for Vishwa Fernando.
Didn't seem shaping away. Doesn't get any better.
And Murray coming. That is a good looking shot. Very good look.
Balbirnie a bit sooner than he wanted. Fielders all in the circle of course. Vishwa Fernando.
Again, he's claiming a catch. He is.
Balbirnie out. And he's done. Andrew Balbirnie's gone for 4.
Liz.
Picked up. Mine will feel a lot better for that.
Same. Shot. McCall, that bat would give anyone
Give the ball a chance to swing. Ball doesn't swing. Round the wicket. It's going to go for 4 through the slip
in
corner.
front of Kusal Mendes, behind it and ready to take a blow. Different. McCollum always on the front batter style.
Harry Tector, that's just pushed, got on top of. He's a tall man, nicely.
Maneuvering it and found that
The
gap.
ranks on the grassy banks. Shot. What a blow that is. What a guns all the way. That'll go.
Extending his long arms, Harry. Beautiful. It's going all the way.
53 from 56. This partnership with
Short leg. One point in Chandimal does it. And Sri Lankans are trying.
I'll make the point again that I felt that it'll be 2 more. I just felt that maybe
in his death for him to bring back Fernando.
finally, and this is Tector dipping.
You let them play off the bowlers in trouble. Tector was doing. Takes the catch.
Best of 83, 5 half centuries.
In McCollum and going. Camphor, second ball he faced very, very closely. Drops on you and you push. Just lean.
Nicely tossed up. Space. Offside. That's enough to the over for Ireland, 85 for 4. Quite well the trajectory he tends to mix. Spinners delivery
Too good. Right hander. It pitches on about middle 5. He gets it's 85 for. Negotiated by.
in some turn outside the off stump. Possibly playing for some turn. Reduced to 89 for attrition.
But that's the turn that you're talking about. Into the right-hander as well. Left to right. It's Lorcan Tucker.
With his off spin round the wicket, his line is better. Long way outside. Most careers are for Ireland. Fledged Test cricket, 4 tests before this, 3 overs. 4 very welcome runs as Ireland up the 3 figures for the visitors.
The line of the stumps.
Jaship, and again he asks another. Kumar Dharmasena thinks it's out.
It's hitting the wickets. Back up.
Ireland struggles.